Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an Easter limited edition beauty box to share with you, and it is from Lookfantastic. This is what the box looks like, and you'll find an egg inside, which I'll show you. Now there's 8 products in here and they are worth £217. You can purchase this egg for £65, but if you are a Lookfantastic monthly beauty box subscriber, if you use code EGGBB, then you can have £10 off. And this is what it looks like. Nice big round egg there. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. So if you're interested in this Easter egg for yourself, you'll find details of it down below in my description, as well as any codes, sales, other limited editions. You'll find that down in my description as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we get a little card and it details everything about the products inside the egg. I was going to say box then, I'm so used to saying box. And yeah, so I'll refer to that as we go along then. I haven't opened it up yet. That's what it looks like. Okay. First up, we got a product by Rodial. This is Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. And there's 31 mils here. I think I've got it. If I have it, it's really lovely. Little pipette, just put it there. So it gives an illuminating but dewy look to the skin. Yeah, I think I have got this one. I absolutely adore Rodial products. I love them. I absolutely love them. And yeah, this is fab. This is really, really lovely because it's not overly shimmery, which some illuminators can be. It's very, very subtle, but I love this on my skin. Enhance your complexion with a skin perfecting serum drops. The Soft Focus formula brightens skin appearance while imparting, I haven't heard that word before, imparting subtle shimmer to add luminosity to the skin. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Really lovely product there. Next we've got a product by REN Clean Skincare. This is a brightening dark circle eye cream and it's 15 mils. So it might be small, but you only need a tiny, tiny bit to dab under your eyes. And if you're like me and really press down hard, and then you get a load come out, so you go through it a lot quicker. But yeah, you clearly don't need that much for both your eyes. Formulated to visibly reduce the appearance of dark circles after 7 days. The gentle cream works to minimise irritation and is suitable for sensitive skin. Its weightless formula is enriched with natural extracts to help revive the skin's natural glow. It's got an eye cream by REN. I'm really excited to try this. I have yet to try it. This is Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. And what have we got here? We got 90 mils. Ooh. So a nice size. I've tried a lot of different Elemis cleansing butters and I love them all. Absolutely love them all. But I haven't tried this yet. I think I have a sample. I'm smelling it, there's no scent. I might have put it in my little box of, it's on the floor there. I might have put it in my little box of like little minis to go away for a night, holiday, etc. Which I know a lot of you have messaged me and asked if you can see this box because I mention it all the time in my videos. I've got it on the floor there ready. I'm gonna have to tip it all out on my bed and just do like a vlog style video to show you. There's lots and lots of things there, but it's all like my favourite skincare, makeup, but all in miniature form, as well as lots of products I haven't tried before. So I've got a funny feeling I've got a little mini one of these in that box. We'll soon see. There's no scent, but it just looks gorgeous. I just want it to smell like oranges, but it doesn't. Purifying clogged pores with a blend of exfoliating AHAs from fermented pumpkin enzyme and acerola cherry. The lightweight cleanser helps to slough away makeup, pollutants and daily debris, instantly transforming skin from drab to dewy. Yeah, love that. Love that. Next we've got a little hair oil. This is by OUAI and we've got 5 mils here. Again, see? this is perfect to take on holiday. But I don't usually wear hair oils. I do now and again. I've got an Olaplex one, I've got Moroccan oil, I've got lots of hair oils, but I don't really use them because my hair is very thin and fine. But I do like using them on my fake hair, my halo hair extensions. One of them in particular, which is ancient, is a good couple of years old. It's quite ratty on the ends, so a good hair oil. It sorts it out. This formula, developed by celebrity hairstylist Jen Atkin, works to combat unsightly frizz and seal split ends for a smooth, polished and shiny result. So we've got hair oil. Next, we've got a product by Colour Wow. This is for your hair. This is extra large bombshell volumizer. 200 mils here. Now I've tried a few products from this brand. Haven't tried this one. This is new. So is this like a spray? Applied to damp hair, dispense 2 to 3 pumps into hand and smooth through sections of hair from top to ends. Continue until all hair is covered and style as usual. Bombshell volumizer. I don't think I have tried it. Don't think I have. See what that's like then. That might be really nice actually to spray in my hair when I want it natural. I did cut it off into a short bob around September time, but even though the back is on the top of my shoulders but the front is down to about here now, I do like putting waves in it. If I can get some really great volume in it, then I'm quite happy not to wear my halo extensions. But if not, it's just lank and drab and I don't like it. So create the illusion of more volumized, luscious looking locks with the extra large bombshell volumizer from Colour Wow. This cult classic will leave your hair feeling instantly more hydrated, volumized and glossy. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Medik8. This is a Clarity Peptides 10% niacinamide infused peptide serum, and there's 30 mils here. Can you see there? A nourishing formula absorbs instantly into your skin and boosts the lit from within glow that we all crave. It leaves your skin visibly smoother and perfected when you need it most. Right, let's try it on my other hand. I love the little nozzle. Ooh. Only try a little bit. Only a little bit, I just want to feel it. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah, that absorbs really nicely into the skin. So we've got a Clarity Peptide niacinamide serum there. Next, we've got an Lom Moisture and Radiance Hydration and Eclat. So it looks like that. Okay, so it's clear. So it must be like a gloss or a nice moisturising lip balm cream. Yeah, yeah, it's more like, oh yeah. Again, non-fragrance. Yeah, it's more like a lip balm. It's a lip mask. It can be worn under lipstick or over colour for a hydrating and glossy boost to your pout. This moisturising formula is designed to protect lips from dryness and chapping. The last item comes in different variants. You'll either receive what I've received. I love this. This is Rituals. The Ritual of Sakura, which I love. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Sensational foaming shower gel, rice milk and cherry blossom. And we got 200 mils here. I absolutely love this smell. It's one of my favourite smells or scents from a Rituals range. Their shower gels are amazing. They are just so, so nice. A little spray, loads of foam, and it lasts quite a while as well. Yeah, really, really happy I got this. So you'll either receive this or the Ritual of Jing, which is gorgeous as well. Really, really lovely. It's more of a relaxing, chill out, sleepy time sort of scent. Like they have pillow sprays and candles and things like that. You'll have that, but in a body scrub. So yeah, you'll either get this or the body scrub. And can I tell you anything else about it? Experience a nurturing cleanse with a gel to foam body wash that works to cleanse and soften your skin. The gel transforms into a rich foam on contact with water and effortlessly lifts away impurities while nourishing the skin. So those are all the products inside this year's Lookfantastic Easter Beauty Egg. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Colour Wow Bombshell Volumizer Extra Large Spray. We've got an Lom Lip Mask. We've got an Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleanser. We've got an OUAI Hair Oil. We've got a Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. We've got a Medik8 Clarity Peptide Serum. And we've got a REN Dark Circle Eye Cream. And lastly, I've got a Ritual of Sakura Shower Foam. or shower gel. So the cost of the box is £65, or if you are a subscriber to the monthly beauty box, you can get this box for £55 and it has a value of £217. I am really grateful to Lookfantastic for sending this out to me. It's really, really great. It is really lovely. Oh, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Really excited to try this. The Medik8, the Colour Wow. There's a lot of products here I haven't tried. Even though I have got this, this is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you love like a gluey, no, you don't want a gluey face. If you want a dewy sort of illuminated face, yeah, absolutely gorgeous. You can wear it on its own or under makeup or mix in with your foundation. Yeah, it is beautiful. Altogether, a really nice Easter box, and I'd love to hear what you think of it. Have you bought one for yourself? It's available to purchase now. Or are you wondering, shall I, shan't I? Or do you think, do you know what? No, not for me this year. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.